right outside. It's just got that feeling of snow. I can hardly see my breath. So my insulation that I have already is doing its job, which is good. But as I was lying in bed last night, I got woken up by a cold draft on my back, and I couldn't work out what it was. So I shoved my hand down there, and there's a hole. On further inspection, I saw that the mice have bitten into my sleeping bag, and I should imagine, are probably starting to take the lining of my sleeping bag out to line their burrows with. Oh my God. I have to work out how I'm going to sew that up pretty sharpish. Other than that, wood processing, firewood collection. So yeah, it's going to keep me busy. I will stop procrastinating. Time to get to work. Oh, water's cold right now. Get some wood. My greatest concern at this point is having dry tinder for my fire. That's the only way that I'm going to survive the colder days coming up. The last thing I want to do when it's minus temperatures is come down to the shore with the wind beating at me to pick it up. It's the whole reason I made that woodshed. That woodshed being gone means I have to find another solution. I think I have a wood pile here, and I'll put a wood pile up here too. I do a little bit every day like this. I get a really good supply going. I'm not quite too sure how to say it correctly, but you can never have enough wood. English people will laugh. Oh, God, blimey. 55 years old. Grow up, Mel. It's going to require a lot of work to fill up my shelter with the fuel necessary to keep me warm in the coming weeks and months. Getting a good pile going now. Very happy with that. Now what I need to do is this. Let's make a needle. Who needs a sewing kit when you've got underwire bras? I think it's my foot. Here it is. Yes. Don't know if you can see that. Now I'm going to sharpen it on the stone. I have always been someone that keeps myself busy. It's like a little mini cutlass. Arr! I have a piece of my scarf. What's this? Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a needle and thread made out of a bra underwire. Large hole on sleeping bag. Check this out. Look what they did. Can you see that? I get my fist in there. It's so cheeky. If anyone asked me this time last year what I thought I would be doing, I would not say sitting on the floor in my own shelter in Saskatchewan, sewing my sleeping bag up with an underwire of a bra. There. All right, we go. That'll do.